Hi guys, welcome to my channel. तो आज हम देखेंगे updating variables and strings in Python. So in this case we took a variable a and we assigned it topic story, and we printed a and we got the output topic story, and at the same time we took a is equals to topic story without double quotations and we print a, and we got invalid syntax, which means Python is not understanding what we are giving input. So it is simply like a non-living thing not understanding what we have done in our program. So in this case Python does not like what I did, or it did not understand what I did. So when Python does not understand what I did or did not like what I did, it shows an error. It says you are wrong. This is not a criticism of you. This is simply a statement of program of inanimate object or a non-living thing telling you that I did not understand what you have done or what you wanted me to do. In this case, what is it looking for? Syntax error. So with syntax error means which is something wrong with the symbols which we are using. Usually syntax is compared with semantics. A syntax error is the error in the actual language. A semantic error is the error in the understanding. Nothing wrong in the language, but it does not make any sense. So syntax error is a is equal to something. So normally if a is equal to something, it will look for the number which is to be assigned to the value of variable like a. So here it has seen some strings, so which we cannot assign to that. It is expecting a number, but we have given a set of strings. I don't know what to do with that. So the system shows error to it. So generally coders get many errors. It's not a big issue. So that time we have to ask the system what we actually have to do in order to overcome this type of errors. In this case, we know that what we have to do, it was expecting a number, but in other cases it would be other things. What is expecting? How do I stop from expecting a number? But I say that to accept a string, not a number, in our program. And the way I do it, by keeping it in double quotations. So when we place this a is equal to topic story in the double quotation and we print the a, so we get the output topic story. So generally in Python notebook, we'll have the input lines like line number 1, line number 2, input line number 16, and if the number of times you run, it will take as a new running input in the Python notebook. So it is designed like that. Some will be designed without taking a new line, new input, and some will be with taking new input. The line number which indicates the actual line which you have run in the session. In that session. So in Python we can run whatever line you want to and whichever line you want to anytime. It is not any rule that it have to run in a specific sequence. The sequence is how you write it. If you want to run it differently, run it differently. For example, if you take a comma b comma c is equals to 4 comma 5 comma topic story. Okay, so in Python, if we ask simply what for a, it will give the output as 4, and if I ask separately for b, it will give output as 5. So if I ask for c, it will give separate output like topic story. But If in the case if it asks for AB, it will only return 5, the latest value, which is 5. When the code block is given like a set of values, then it will return the latest value it has been asked. So in this case, variable 1 is assigned with 25 and variable 2 is assigned with this name, and variable 2 is assigned is equal to variable 1. So when we print variable 2, this variable 2 will take this value as variable 1, 25. So 25 will print.